Ready? This is my little brother Chevin. He's going to try the Sour Skittles challenge. He's going to eat 3, and I'm going to see what his face is like. Ready? Put them all in your mouth at the same time. All in your mouth at the same time. What do you think? Is that good? Say bye.
Bye.